Welcome to this presentation on Macquarie Bank, one of the most successful financial institutions in the world. Did you know that Macquarie Bank was founded in Sydney, Australia in 1969 with just 3 employees and a capital of $1 million? Today, it has grown into a global powerhouse with over 15,000 employees and a market capitalization of over $30 billion. Macquarie Bank is known for its innovative approach to finance and its ability to identify opportunities where others see only risks. In fact, it has been involved in some of the biggest infrastructure projects around the world, including airports, toll roads, and renewable energy plants. But how did it all begin? Let's take a closer look. Macquarie Bank was founded in 1969 by a group of Australian entrepreneurs who saw an opportunity to provide investment banking services in a market dominated by foreign banks. The bank started out as a small firm in Sydney, with just a handful of employees and a focus on providing advisory services to local businesses. In the early days, Macquarie Bank faced many challenges, including a lack of capital and competition from established banks. However, the founders were determined to succeed and they worked tirelessly to build the bank's reputation and expand its services. Over time, Macquarie Bank became known for its innovative approach to finance and its ability to identify and capitalize on emerging trends. Macquarie Bank's success can be attributed to its unique business model, which focuses on infrastructure, real estate, and other non-traditional financial services. This approach has allowed the bank to generate significant profits and attract top talent from around the world. As a result, Macquarie Bank has earned the nickname the Millionaires Factory. While this moniker may seem flashy, it actually reflects the bank's commitment to excellence and innovation. By attracting the best and brightest in the industry, Macquarie Bank has been able to stay at the forefront of the financial industry and continue to grow and expand globally. Macquarie Bank's global expansion began in the early 1990s, when it established a presence in London and New York. This move allowed the bank to tap into new markets and offer a broader range of financial services to its clients. Over the years, Macquarie Bank has continued to expand its global footprint, with offices now located in over 30 countries around the world. The bank has also made strategic acquisitions to help fuel its growth, including the purchase of Delaware Investments in the United States and Lloyds Banking Group's Australian asset finance business. One of the biggest challenges that Macquarie Bank faced was the global financial crisis in 2008. The bank's profits plummeted and it had to lay off a significant number of employees. Additionally, Macquarie Bank faced criticism for its involvement in complex financial products that contributed to the crisis. Another controversy that Macquarie Bank faced was accusations of unethical behavior in some of its business practices. In 2016, the bank was fined $15 million by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission for failing to properly manage conflicts of interest in one of its divisions. In conclusion, Macquarie Bank has come a long way since its humble beginnings as a small firm in Sydney. It has earned the nickname the Millionaires Factory for good reason, with its global expansion and success in the financial industry. However, Macquarie Bank has also faced its fair share of challenges and controversies over the years, including criticism of its business practices. Despite this, the bank has remained resilient and continues to be a major player in the industry. As we wrap up this presentation, let us remember that Macquarie Bank's journey serves as an inspiration for all of us. It is a testament to the power of determination, innovation, and adaptability in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and we will catch you on the next one.